Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, how are you? I wish all of you in healthy condition today. In this opportunity, I would like to present my research proposal with the title Developing Student Speaking Skill Through Roleplay in Junior High School Student Grade 11. But before I start, let me introduce myself. I'm Iqbal Saiful Ramdan and my identity number is 182122104. And now I'm studying at Universitas Siliwangi. So let's get started. In the first slide, there is introduction. Then in the introduction, there are 3 points such as issue, focus, and files. For the first one is issue. There are some challenges in teaching speaking skill in EFL classroom, namely lack of motivation, and they tend to use their first language, correlated with those problems faced by students. And the second one is focus. That is this actually focus to describing the role play activities contribute to the developing students skill of class 11 high school student. And the last is files. For the file here, I'm using public speaking. Okay, let's move to the next slide. Okay, on the second slide there is a formulation of the problems. The problem of the study is to investigate whether role-play activities contribute to developing student speaking skill in senior high school student grade 11. Okay. On the third slide, there is aim of the research. The aim of this study is to find out whether role-play activities contribute to developing students' speaking skill in senior high school students grade 11. Well, next to the fourth one, there is significance of the study. Here on significant there is 2 points, which is first is theoretical use and second is practical use. Theoretical use later on, this research is expected to contribute to development of theory in the field of education. And the second one is practical use. This research is also expected to help high school teachers as their reference when they want to implement the role play method in their learning. Okay, we have to move to the fifth slide. There is a theoretical framework. On theoretical framework, have 3 points such as speaking skill, role play, and senior high school. Okay, for the first one is speaking skill. In Indonesia, English is used as a foreign language that must be learned in every formal school. Therefore, the role of education is very significant. Okay, the second one is role play. In general, the reality that occurs in real life is not always as expected. There are still many students who have difficulty in mastering their English speaking skills senior high school student. Okay, the last one is senior high school. Senior high school students are student grade 11 who occupy a period of formal education before entering lectures. And in the study of psychology, high school students are included in the adolescent groups. Senior high school 15 until 18 years is a difficult time for many students. Okay, move to the sixth slide. There is a research method. The study applies experimental design because the researchers want to find out the effect of the development between dependent variable and independent variable. Next to the seventh slide, there is population and sample. The population of the research is the students in one of the senior high school student in Tasikmalaya, and the sample of the study are students from grade 11. There are 13 students. The sample was chosen by using cluster random sampling, which means that the group are already exist and randomly selected. Well, next to the 8th slide, there is data collection. The instrument for collecting the data is pre-test and post-test. Because we want to know if there is effect before using the treatment and after using the treatment. Okay, next, I guess this is the last slide. There is a data analysis. The research analyze the data using various sample tests to test the data, so at the end we can know whether the hypothesis is accepted or not. Okay guys, that's all I have to explain, and thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.